Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we saw what is abstraction and how we can achieve abstraction in Java. So there are like two ways, abstract class and interface. So we are going to discuss about them first. Let me take a screen from here. Abstract classes. So we already know what is interface, so that we are not going to cover. That's already covered in my previous video. If you still struggling with interface, please follow the previous videos of mine. There you can understand what is interface. But yeah, definitely we'll discuss about interface in that term, like how we are achieving abstraction. So the first way is using abstract class. Abstract class. Let's again have some idea what is abstraction. So abstraction is just a way, so you can show only essential things to the user, to the end user, and you have to hide the internal details. As I gave previous example, like take out an example of engine, or think about you are tapping something in your a phone. When you tap something, something happens, it picks your touch and internally it do something, then you can see your character is typed in that message place. So everything is kind of abstract for us, we even don't know what's happening behind the scene. So the whole idea is to move user from those internal details and show only essential thing which actually makes sense to the end user. So to achieve abstraction in Java, we have abstract class. So the name says abstract. So for now, abstract you can simply say something which is incomplete. It's not an official term. Just want to make it more clear. You can just say something which is incomplete. Something is incomplete or not able to explain what actually it means. So that you can say that is abstraction. So wherever you heard this term abstraction, that's in Java, so you can say okay, so that means it's not complete, its behavior is not actually clear what it is going to do for us. So that is something abstract. And second way is interface. So in next video we will talk about this whole things, but one more detail I just want to put here, that when we are using abstract class, so it gives us 0 to 100% abstraction. That's the ratio here, 0 to 100% abstraction. And when we talk about interface, so interface says I will give you 100% abstraction. So what does it mean, how we can do this, we will see this in next video. So thanks for watching this video guys. Let's check these all concepts in next video. Bye bye.